Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the new Fesco gas station on Spanish Town Road. Now the gas station is open and they are building a plaza at the back. And that plaza will have Burger King and Popeyes in it. It should open sometime next year. So we're just giving you a quick. Now the new trend is when you build these gas stations that you build a plaza around them. It's very popular on the north coast in Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, the entire north coast. So the Fesco that recently opened on Mandela Highway has a tasty patty store on the compound and a convenience store. And that is the busiest gas station in Jamaica, the one Fesco on Mandela Highway. So this one now is built on Spanish Town Road and they are putting food stores on the same compound with the gas station. So we'll see how this one works out. And Spanish Town Road is probably the second or third busiest road in Kingston. Mandela Highway, of course, is the busiest road. So this development is taking place at a very good location. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.